Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Up Love. I love grilled veggies, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for making grilled artichokes with a delicious briny, garlicky dipping sauce. These are the best. If you love ordering grilled artichokes from Houstons and Lucilles, I've got a surprise for you. They're super easy to make. Let me show you how. This is everything that we're going to need to get started. I've listed the ingredients and the recipes for both the artichokes and the sauce in the description box below. First, we're going to steam the artichokes. Slice a half a lemon and add it plus 2 cloves of garlic and a tablespoon of salt to a steamer pot with the bottom filled with water, and bring this to a boil. There's a few different ways to cook artichokes, and I'm going to show you how I learned to do it. First, pull off any leaves from the stems of the artichokes. Slice off the end, and if you want to keep the stems a little long, trim off some of the outside of the stalk. Then cut the top off the artichoke. I usually cut off between 1/3 and 1/2 of the artichoke. And you can cut the tips off the big leaves on the bottom if you like. And if this is your first time at our channel, I'm so happy you found us. We're making easy, no-fail recipes you can make with confidence and share with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted the next one. Once you've got all of the artichokes prepped, place them in the steamer basket and steam until they're tender, which will be about 20 to 30 minutes. Let the artichokes rest until they're cool enough to handle. Then slice them in half and remove the center choke part. The easiest way to do this is to use a spoon and scoop down past the hairy part of the choke and scrape it out. You can steam and prep the artichokes up to this point a day or two ahead of time, and then refrigerate them. Then just take them out of the fridge for the next step when you're ready to grill. Next, we're going to mix up some oil for an extra flavor boost and to prevent the artichokes from sticking to the grill. Combine 2 tablespoons of avocado or extra virgin olive oil, the juice of a lemon, and a half teaspoon of salt and pepper. Brush the artichokes with the oil mixture on both sides and into the cracks. For the aioli sauce, measure out a half cup of mayo, mince 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of capers, and mince these up, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Grill the artichokes over medium-high heat on the grill until they're hot and nicely charred, and this will be about 5 or 10 minutes depending on your grill. These are looking so good. Hey, if you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. It really helps us out. And if you get a chance to make these, let us know how they turned out for you. Then serve these up with the garlic aioli sauce. These go great with our hot and fast barbecue chicken. If you haven't checked that out yet, I'll link it up here for you. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.